Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all students. So for today presentation, I will continue with the presentation for chapter 3, quantity measurement. So for today I will continue with the quantity measurement element. So in typical diagram of a structure element of building construction, you will notice that you will be able to get this drawing. For the example, we can see here is the pad footing, straight footing. Sometimes we have the pie cap with the piles here. Okay? And then we have the main element of structure, the the stump. Okay, we have here the stump, column, ground beam, okay, roof beam, and also some of the stiffener. Okay, so if you have what we call the wider brick wall construction, you may need to construct this stiffener. Okay, this stiffener. And in the construction drawing, it also gives to you the ground level. Where is our ground level? Is it above the ground beam or below the ground beam construction? And like this one, it gives to you at below of the, okay, we have the ground beam, okay, located at the below ground beam construction level. Okay, this one. Right, this also example for typical column and pad footing. Okay, so this one is the cross section class. Okay, because we can see what is item inside the column and pad footing. So we can indicate all the necessary reinforcement bar. Okay, the cover thickness, the cover thickness here, okay, this stated 50 mm, okay, 50 mm. The size of pad footing, okay, 100, okay, meter square. Okay, they also give to you the spacing to allocate the reinforcement bar, especially the link. Okay, the link, we always use the my steel type. Okay, R type. It is the my steel. Okay, the my steel. Okay, up to here, this one is the lapping height. So it is according to the construction drawing. So for this drawing, it is special for a structure drawing. So you as a civil engineers will always involve in this preparation of structure drawing. Okay, for this is the roof, what we call roof beam. Roof beam structure and the ground beam structure. Okay, in any detailing of beam structure, you will get the size of the beam here. They will indicate the size of the beam. Okay, and also the my steel for the stirrup and the spacing. And these are how the contractor will arrange all the stirrup. Okay, they will arrange, okay, all the stirrup okay, in between this area. Okay, in between this area. Okay, from here to here. Okay, the spacing is 175 mm. So how many stirrup needed for this construction? So you need to always calculate. Next, the usage of BQ. BQ is the quantity, bill of quantity. Yeah. The bill of quantity is a part of tender document and also will be included in contract document. Basic document during the interim certificate preparation. The contractor will always refer to BQ and before they can submit all the necessary claim, okay, the progress claim to the employer or the client. Okay. If during the construction the client need to add something into the construction part, okay, maybe the client want to add some more portion into the existing building. So the contractor and the client need to do the VO. VO is variation order. So after we do the VO, okay, the client also need to do the evaluation and to pay the progress payment to contractor. And BQ also act as the cost data for quantity surveyor. BQ always is the contractors to do their management and administration. This is the list of element and items. Okay. These are the typical table to you, and also the guidance to you when you want to do the quantity measurement, and also the bill of quantity. Okay. So for this tabulation, you will notice that we have the element and major element, we have the sub element, we have the work category, we have the work item, the unit, okay, and some of the necessary remarks here. Okay. So you can go and look into this table, because in every element of construction we start with the preliminary work, and then we have the substructure, we have the superstructure element, we have the finishes, we have the what we call, this one is fitting, okay, utility of building, and the external work. Okay, external work. So these are the common element that will involve in any of the construction. Okay. And then how we do the BQ, the bill of quantity. So firstly, we need to do the measurement. This measurement you need to do it based on the based on a certain drawing, and then you need to have the dimension multiplying, do the recheck, and do the bills writing. These are the typical example for dimension paper. The usage of dimension paper is to give a descriptions, okay, to do the all the necessary calculation here, the dimensions, get the quantity for each item, okay, indicate the units, put the price rate, and after that we can get the amount for each item and element. These are important for QS work or the estimator. Okay, next is the riba conversion tabulation. This one is the summary of all steelwork calculation. So at the end of our calculation, we will get in the kilogram unit. Okay. I will go and explain in detail when we do the quantity measurement for reinforcement bar. These are the most important reference. Okay. SMM1 and SMM2. So currently we will use the SMM2 as the latest edition of Malaysian Standard Method of Measurement of Building Work, second edition. Okay. Another reference is the quantity measurement, okay, with work example in English based on SMM2. The author are Ahmad Abdullah and Khairuddin Abdul Rashid. And these are the basic stationery needed when you want to do the quantity measurement. So I think with that, I thank you for this brief for quantity measurement. Hope you can understand, and thank you.